little bit more work on the Jeep. So I'm going to take these back bonnet latches off, the bonnet and the fender, and then I'll get some to go up on the front side edge of the bonnet, because that's how the original wheelies had them, just to make it look a little bit more authentic. Righto, the next job I want to do is replace these two little rubber stoppers on the bonnet. That's what the window sits down onto when you fold the glass forward. I'm just putting new ones on there, but then I'm actually going to get in some original style wooden ones and put on there, because the wheelies Jeep actually has wooden ones. But for the moment the rubbers are worn out, so I'm just going to replace them until we get some wooden ones in. One side done, now same for the other side. So the next job I'm going to do is put a little tie down strap on the front of the grille, so there's actually a little tab there where they go, and this strap is for actually going through the grille and then onto the window frame when you lay the window down, to hold it down so it doesn't fly up when you drive it down the highway. So I'm just going to get this strap here, cut it to length and fit that on. Now on the Willys MB they just hang there, but I'm actually going to put a little bracket back up under the recessed under the grille to tie it through there, just so it's not going to be flapping around. I'll just cut this excess off, and then I'll put a little bracket up underneath and we can tie it in through there.